Welcome to Scented Palette. I hope you're doing well. Look at that. This parrot is enjoying his mango without any care in the world. That inspired me to share a mango treat with you as well. So I decided to share how I like my mango ice cream. So for that we are going to need granulated sugar, gelatin, vanilla, condensed milk, heavy cream, of course mangoes and some powdered sugar. I'm going to start by beating heavy cream for about 10 minutes until it becomes somewhat fluffy and almost doubles up in volume. Add powdered sugar. We will stop beating right before it starts to make hard peaks. Now I am adding condensed milk. Add vanilla extract or any type of vanilla flavoring. I'm adding 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla powder. I'm using steel rings for molding my ice cream. I will line them with cellophane sheets. So I need to take a measure of the circumference. I will keep them higher than the edges of the rings by a centimeter or two. So luckily my cellophane sheet is double the width of the required size, so I'm simply going to cut it in the middle. Remember to place the straight edge towards the plate. Now fill the mold with cream till the edge of the steel ring only. I'm adding a little at a time to keep the sheets clean in order to obtain well-defined layers later on. Tap it, flatten the top, and freeze it overnight. I've got one large mango. I am going to blend half of it to make mango sauce, and I will keep the remaining for garnish and flavoring for the ice cream. Don't forget to strain the mango puree after blending. We need to reduce the water from the puree. The puree was almost 1 cup, so I am going to reduce it to half. I'm going to transfer it in a plate so that it cools down quickly. Otherwise, you can cool it in the fridge and continue the next day when your ice cream is frozen as well. Add condensed milk, which is just enough to make your puree somewhat sweeter. Add a little at a time so that it does not lose the taste of mangoes to sweetness. In my case, it required 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Here I have heated half a teaspoon of gelatin powder in 1 tablespoon of water, and I'm going to mix a little bit of mango puree in it before adding it to the plate. This is the best way of preventing gelatin lumps in whichever recipe it is used. I froze this plate yesterday because I wanted to complete this video in one go. I'm going to fill this mango sauce in the extra space that I created with cellophane sheets above the steel rings. And please don't mind this piece of ice cream with skewer in it, as I am experimenting with a new dessert which I will share with you if it is successful. Okay, so I have left a few millimeters at the top to curtail the outflow of mango sauce from the mold. Freeze it for 2 to 4 hours. Don't worry, a little nudge will help it come off. Time to plate. The ring will come off easily, but remove the cellophane sheet carefully. Our other half of the mango. Candied dry fruits are readily available from the market. You can make them yourself very easily with caramelized sugar. Mango sauce. You get my drift, so I'll finish up plating and show you the final look.